Very good morning. In today's session, in the previous session, we have discussed about different types of sensors. In today's session, we will discuss about our IR sensor. So it is nothing but your infrared sensor. In this infrared sensor will be used for the detection of an object, whether the object is there or not. It will tell us. How it will tell us, we have to see. IR sensor will consist of an emitter and as well as one receiver, means like one LED and as well as receiver. Here we are showing in the picture. It consists of obstacle LED, power LED, and we will be having this adjustment, distance adjustment. If we adjust this one, it can able to range. Distance adjustment means I can say it as a range. Then VCC, ground and as well as output, it will consist of 3 pins. One we need to connect VCC, another one to ground, and then output pin we have to give. Then there will be one emitter and as well that is nothing but we will call it as transmitter, and then one receiver. So this is the pin diagram I am showing here. IR sensor, which is consisting of 3 pins and as well as transmitter and receiver. Now we will see how it will works. How can it able to detect the object? So if you observe this particular diagram, as we said that we will be having our transmitter and receiver. In the transmitter, we will be using light emitting LED. We will be using light emitting light. LED transmitter will be there. How it will detect an object is nothing but this IR sensor will be emitting an infrared rays. When this sensor emits an infrared ray, if there is an object, here we are showing, if there is an object, if immediately the IRS incident on that object and reflection will be there. You all know that if any rays or incidented on the obstacle, then reflection will occur. Same phenomena here we are using. As it emits on the obstacle, reflection will be occurred. Due to this reflection, we can able to understand that whether there is an object or not. If there is no object, no reflection. If there is object, definitely reflection will be there. That will be received by the receiver, and then we can able to detect that as there is an object. There is an object. In addition to IR sensor, we will be having PIR sensor. Same thing, the PIR sensor also we will be using for the object detection and as well as movement detection. Here we are showing in the other one how it will whether it is moving away from us or whether it is moving towards us. That can be that can be detected by using your PIR sensor. That we will see in our next session. Then coming to advantages and disadvantages of our IR sensor, the major disadvantage of IR sensor is nothing but if the objects are dark objects, that it is unable to reflect back. Reflection will not be occurred. That is the major disadvantage of IR sensor that we can overcome by using our ultrasonic sensor, where ultrasonic sensor will also be used for the movement detection. And advantages are, we have so many advantages. It provides secure communication. The battery used in infrared rays lasts for long duration, and motion sensors and detect, it will detect in daytime and nighttime reliably, and it can measure the distance, how much distance will be there easily. Okay, and these are all our applications of IR sensors: meteorology, climatology, photobiomodulation, analysis of water, gas detectors. In all these things, we will be using our IR sensors. So thank you for listening.